Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the JLab Go Lux ANC wireless noise cancelling on the ear headphones. So on the side of the box, it has some features like multi-pairing, so you can connect your two devices at the same time, as well as audio sharing. So pretty interesting stuff, and claim from JLab on what I would say is inexpensive, budget-friendly headphones. Right, they're $50 US, I believe. I'm a little confused on this because I ordered it from Amazon US to get it imported into Canada. They're just not available in Canada at the moment. So I can't remember if that was USD or Canadian. But anyway, those type of details, including pricing and performance, will be in the review, and a link to the review will be in the video description. So let's continue on the unboxing, okay? So that's what you're here for. So just double checking there's no missed contents. And I opened it upside down. Oopsies, let me just put that back. Okay, that's what it's supposed to look like. And there are the headphones. They feel really lightweight in the hand, which is not surprising because, again, the inexpensive price tag. The ear cup cushioning and the headband cushioning is a pretty generous amount, though, despite the inexpensive price. And that's important because hopefully that'll attribute to it being comfortable. Okay, so also to comment about the comfort in the review. Let's see what else we got here. So there's a USB cable. I'm just trying to yank it out. And it is a USB-C, pure USB-C. I almost said USB-A to USB-C because almost every other manufacturer does that. I'm so used to it, but thank goodness JLab gave a pure USB-C cable, a very rare thing to see. And here's a quick start guide. Doesn't look too bad. That's actually pretty simple, so it's good on them. And safety and warranty information, but that's pretty much it. So be sure to check out my social links and website link in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.